Hey everybody, aloha and welcome to Aloha Life Now. My name is Danny.
I'm Eric. We're coming to you live from an open house here near Waikiki. It's Kapahulu, but it's so close to everything, right?
Yeah, the Kaimuki area is highly sought after. You know, family friendly, and you get a lot of old homes like this where people are really looking for, and they really want to buy a house like this.
This has that traditional plantation style home that you get that Hawaii feel, basically. Unique colors, like usually rooms are different colors and things like that, but this one has like kind of a theme, right? An ocean theme.
Ocean theme, yeah. And very high ceilings. I mean, it's quite high.
It is really high.
I'd say almost like 10 feet, maybe even 11 feet, maybe 12 feet.
And in these older homes, you get a lot of ceiling fans too, right?
Yeah. Check out the ceiling fans. Boom, you get 2 in the living room, 1 in the kitchen, you get another one in that bedroom, and another one in the master bedroom. So yeah, tons of fans.
You can play the game, count the ceiling fans.
So we're gonna do an open house walkthrough and just check it out, and then we're gonna talk about the finer points and what people are looking for in a home like this.
Because the market is starting to pick up again. Interest rates are low now. They're really low, so it's time to buy.
Good time to buy,
yeah.
Especially you can get interest rates at like what, 3.8, 3.7.
They're even lower now in some places.
Refinance if you can.
Yeah, it's a good time. Because remember, it almost got to 5 and everyone was freaking out, right?
Yeah.
It was above 4, it was 4.5, kept going up, and the market kind of stalled, right? And prices were going up too. So it was like interest rates are going up, prices are going up, people got scared, market stalled. Now the median price has gone down a little, and interest rates have gone down a lot. So it's a perfect time to buy.
Lowest pricing for interest rates since 2016.
Wow.
Yeah. So let's do our walkthrough and just check it out. Yeah, here you go. I'll be doing the interpret. Oh, you know what? I forgot to sign the whole thing.
Sign it again.
Yeah. So we're here in this house. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and many ceiling fans. And this is the old style, built in 1931 plantation home. So Eric will be speaking and I will be signing. So
okay. So we're gonna try to do this. I wish this was like a selfie stick.
Like that.
Okay, there. Now it's a selfie stick.
Yeah. There we go.
All right, so we have this home that's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, plantation, single-family house. It's about near 1,000 square feet of living space, so it's almost there. With the deck outside, it is 1,000 square feet. So let's go take a look at the deck. All right, we're coming to you from the deck outside. So this is how you're gonna welcome your guests, how it's gonna welcome you. This house, sorry. Okay, this house is real Hawaii feeling. It's how you can really feel like you're living in Hawaii. Because some places here you don't feel like you're in Hawaii anymore. You got the surfboard, the aqua blue, and you have your lawn right here. So you get a little privacy, even though you are close to a main road, because Waikiki's right over there, and Diamond Head's right over there. So, you're close to everything. You can walk to Waikiki, you can walk to Diamond Head, and, in really nice areas.
So 15 minutes to the beach.
15 minutes to the beach.
Let me just fix this for a moment.
Okay.
There we go. So now we're not banging into stuff.
All right. Okay.
So, and then this tree right here is a very big mango tree. And the sign for mango in Hawaiian Sign Language is mango.
Let's look at the mango tree. Right there. And that thing's gonna grow bigger.
The owners have said that this is a very giving mango tree. So you get lots of mangoes you can collect.
So you really, really feel like you're living in Hawaii.
Yes.
Okay, let's go take a look at the bedrooms. So we got 3 bedrooms right here. Okay, so here we have the master bedroom. And let's take a little quick look around. You see it's a different shade than the front, but it still has that aqua theme, so it's got that ocean theme all around the house. Okay, and then with the master bedroom comes the master bathroom.
Well, it's a shared, so it's a Jack and Jill.
Oh, a Jack and Jill shared. Okay, so let's go in here. And again, this is for people that like that plantation style home. This is not a modern home at all. So if you're looking for that, you're gonna have to put a lot of money in remodeling this place. But if for the people that, you know, just want that plantation look, they want that old school Hawaii look, this is the perfect home for that.
Yeah, and this was like I was mentioning, it was built in 1931, but the owners did remodel it in 2006.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of the appliances are new or up to date, and then the electricity, the electrical wire, and the plumbing has all been remodeled since 2006.
But the remodeling kept the plantation theme.
Yes, they kept the original wood and you know the ceilings, and so a lot of it was just the framing, so you get that feeling, the look, but the internal structures like the electrical wiring and the plumbing is new.
That's important because electrical is expensive.
Yes.
And the kitchen too.
Yes.
Okay. This is bedroom number 2. Okay. And the bedrooms are a good size. You know, there's room here. We have a bunk bed right here. So this was the kids' bedroom. Okay. You have a big window to the little yard that's outside. But you're also next to your neighbor too.
Yeah. Very, very common here in Kaimuki.
Yes, Kaimuki area doesn't have a lot of land for your home. There's a lot of single family homes, but they're almost all on like 2,000, 3,000 square feet of land, right? So you're gonna be really close to your neighbor.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here. Okay, bedroom number 3 too.
Yep, third one.
Okay. So we're going over here. Just a step down. This is bedroom number 3 right here. And this comes with a sliding door, so easy access to the outside.
Yep. And that's the car parking area right there. So you get 2 cars and you park there. Unfortunately, it's very tight, so you're not gonna have like a 2 F-150 trucks. It won't fit.
Well, I drive a Mini, so I can fit it in there.
Okay. And, this is typically called the mother-in-law's bedroom because it's kind of separate from the house, and it's got its own bathroom right here. And if you want, you can do rentals with this because it does have like a small kitchen area. Just get this. That's locked.
Okay, there we go. So let's check out the bathroom here. And this is the kitchenette area.
You see, it's got even a little small sink right there.
So the good thing is this is separate from the other rooms. So you could have a long-term renter in here. So you can live in the 2-bedroom and share the other space and make some rental income off this room right here.
Yeah, it really helps with paying off your mortgage or just other expenses. So it's nice.
Of course, Airbnb is illegal now here, but you can have a long-term renter or monthly rentals.
30 days or more.
30 days or more.
The good thing is, what's interesting is they did keep the hardwood in the main house, and they do have vinyl in here as well. So
and it feels good on the feet.
yes. So I guess we should check out the kitchen.
Okay, let's go see the kitchen. Okay. I'm like losing grip of this. It's like
That's
unhiding me.
we can set it.
Yeah, I think in the kitchen.
Yeah, we'll end it in the kitchen. Yeah. Okay.
You can see the stove right here.
Here we go.
All right, so we're in the kitchen. It's been completely remodeled. Very nice, new appliances. We have a stainless steel refrigerator. We have brand new stove and range. And stainless steel dishwasher. There we go. The cabinets are all brand new too, and it's a nice wood cabinetry. Like you can, the color's new, everything's new, so it's really nice.
Lots of storage space, and you can check out. You even have the see-through window cabinet. And there, and there, there,
I even like the color for the backsplash.
Oh yeah, that's a nice backsplash.
Yeah.
Um,
So the kitchen's a little like darker color than the rest of the house. So it kind of changes up the theme of the house a little bit.
So a house like this, how much would you guess would cost in this area?
The thing is, this area is so expensive for nothing, right? And so we're talking about, it's almost 1,000 square feet of living space, you know, with the deck outside. And the total lot is, how big is it?
2,609 square feet.
Okay, 2,600 about, and the whole land area. And in Kaimuki, I would guess it'd be around 900 something thousand, right? In the 900,000s.
That's pretty much market price. So it's 920,000, 930,000. So how much this house is selling for is 880,000.
Okay, so it's a little bit under like the median price around here, right?
So I think it's pretty good value for this area. Definitely, Hawaii prices keep going up.
For a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in this area, that's a great price. Because I've seen in this area, I've seen in the 700s, but it's a really tiny house, really tiny house. So for this amount of space, it's actually a pretty big space. You know, you can live comfortably here and be close to everywhere. So for 880,000, I think that's a good price.
And you get that rental option.
Yes, because you do have that bedroom that you can completely make it private. It has its own entrance, separate entrance from the main entrance. And yeah, it's great.
It's a bathroom, yeah. So yeah, let us know if you have any questions about living or buying or coming to Hawaii. We have a lot of knowledge and experience, so we're happy to contact you and talk to you.
Also, let us know what area you want to see, because this is a good area because Kaimuki's next to everything. It's next to Waikiki, so that's what tourists usually know. That's what people that don't live here usually know. They know Waikiki and Diamond Head, and this is the area that's next to those two famous places.
Yeah, so we look forward to you contacting us, and we'll be ready here answering your questions.
Okay, aloha.
Aloha, take care, bye-bye.